bit of a game changer, very refreshing, because it's an approach that is structured. It goes against the whole grain of what I'd learnt about getting established in a new job in real estate. It's one that actually pushes you away from cold calling and door knocking and mindless offers of appraisals. So it's actually rejuvenated me. I was a bit jaded, and now I feel like I'm 25 again. I want to get stuck into it and jump through a few walls. So. Worked in commercial for 3 years in the city. Decided to try resi with a Bayside Group, traditional agent. And then, like the hybrid model came called Purplebricks, and did that for almost 2 years. And last Tuesday we were pretty much made redundant. So Fiona reached out. We just had a chat. No hard sells. She said, look, keep an open mind. This is a game changer. So there's a lot of noise and a lot of promises in real estate. So not cynical, but a little bit guarded, but I was prepared to come along with an open mind, and it actually freaked me out, because what was put across as the learnings is pretty much everything that I had to unlearn, and then I had to keep tripping myself up because of what I thought I knew, because what I heard made sense, and it's just 100% more palatable than the mindless prospecting techniques I'd been taught and had tried to use, and pretty much got me just a lot of hard work and not much traction in the market. So it was amazing. Well, if I had a ticket out, come and have a look. It's resonated with me, and I just think there's that much potential now, and it's opened my eyes. Like I said, I feel a bit rejuvenated. But one of the options I had after last Tuesday was, I've just had a gut full of real estate, Jam, and now I feel like, wow, sky's the limit. Which I'm 52. I'm not a little kid. I've been around. I've had my own businesses. I just feel rejuvened. It just, I'm tired, but I feel excited.